Oh great, let's talk about the speed and precision of skilled workers. Because, you know, that's not just a bunch of nerds typing away on their computers all day, right? I mean, come on, it's like they're trying to outdo each other in some kind of boring Olympics. Oh, I can assemble this chip in 2.5 seconds. No, wait, you're wrong, I can do it in 2.2. Fuck that shit, it's just a bunch of assholes trying to one-up each other. But seriously, folks, skilled workers are like engineers of awesomeness. They take those fancy tools and techniques and turn them into magic tricks. It's like they're performing some kind of high-tech circus act, except instead of juggling balls, they're assembling CPU chips at lightning speed. And let me tell you, it's a beautiful thing to watch, almost as beautiful as watching a retard try to assemble the same chip in 5 minutes. But what really gets me is how these workers are always pushing the boundaries of innovation. They're like the artists of the tech world, constantly experimenting with new ideas and techniques to create something truly exceptional. And just like a master painter, they can take all those tiny components and turn them into something that's both functional and visually stunning. I mean, have you seen an engineered atomic array in silicon? That's some next level shit right there. And let me tell you, this dedication to excellence is not just about the end result, it's also about the process. These workers are like monks of productivity, meditating on their code and searching for that perfect algorithm. And when they finally achieve perfection, it's like they're experiencing some kind of profound epiphany. Oh, I did it. I created something truly magnificent. Yeah, dude, you sure did. Now if only you could do it in 2.5 seconds.